Hey guys, it's New Year and I highly appreciate you're with me all these my videos. So thank you for watching, commenting and following. I have a lot of plans on New Year and I'm pretty sure there'll be a lot of interesting episodes in future. So let's go and check my new video. Hi guys, welcome to my new video, and today I will tell you how to solve one common problem. This is the SRS Airbag Error, and from the beginning, if you have flashed this lamp on your gauge, this means either you have problems with the airbag itself, maybe your car was crashed somehow, either you have cable wires connector problems, maybe it's just disconnected, and the third variant, you can have problems with steering wheel wires like I have. You can have horn issue and SRS airbag issue. And to have all this worked, you need to replace this steering wheel wires. I finally found these wires thanks to one good man, Alexander, and now I'll try to replace these wires. And evidently I will tell you what tools do you need and what you need to disconnect or disassemble to do this job. On Prelude this error looks like this. When you start the engine, close the door, put down handbrake, and there is the error that still flashes on your instrumental cluster. Your horn doesn't work, and airbags that are indeed working in this car don't work. To get to the wirings, you need to unscrew this bolt, as well as on the other side. We will use this Torx screw. This is Torx 30, and after that we can take off this central part and see the wires. Okay, now we can take off the airbag itself. Be careful to disconnect negative wire of your car battery under the hood. Okay, this airbag is taken away, and this is the inside part of your steering wheel, as well as this new wiring harness for this car. As always, we had few problems because I don't have appropriate tool to do this job, so now I'm going to visit one tool shop and buy the correct one. So now I got the great proper tool. You should turn the steering wheel till the moment it locked and try to unscrew this central bolt. Just leave few turns because you need to pull the steering wheel at your from the as hard as possible. And the second important detail: before taking off your steering wheel, you need to put it into central position to have your wheels and steering wheel straight forward. And here's our not working wiring harness. To unmount this detail, you need to disconnect the force connector that is inside the steering wheel. So you need to take off this lower cover. It's on 4 Torx bolts underneath. This is quite difficult to disconnect this force connector, but you should try. The new detail is on its place and all the connectors are connected now. So let's screw it on its place and check it. So now I'm gonna check it, starting the engine and nothing. The error is still on the instrumental cluster and our horn doesn't work. But now you got the step-by-step tutorial how to change your steering wheel wire harness. If you have similar problem as I have with the not working horn signal and SRS airbag on your dash. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching, please consider subscribing and see you on the next episode. Bye.